Kajinkiu kabai petrol kalakta shikade ekipai ba khamtam ekipedok basong. Halor kaniu bayel hek nangilam kaseng BJP habai kren club thai khobor ha khandai terem tau banai. Ulong bon sara ekani kamar akhmat jok sarkar pedeng. Ha kajelang kabanlong ha Delhi ha ka nyotrik unai wing mentak snem.
Rising in the prices, it hit badly to the poor people. It hit the farmers, it hit everybody. We should also have to rethink about the exorbitant, price rise of the fuels in the in the entire country.
So will you take this up with the government? So
And then nationally, of course, I'm going to take up in the next national executive meeting to be held in Delhi on the 7th of November. I'm going to take up this also in the NDA government. We cannot make people suffering just because we are in the ruling.